Hi, my paper is going to be on factory farming or um, places where they keep a lot of farm animals in order to produce a mass amount of produce. Uh, the article that I read for this assignment was Factory Farming What the Industry Doesn't Want You to Know, and this is on sentimentmedia.org. The article is mainly about how pigs are treated in farm factories, specifically how their conditions are super inhumane. They are stuffed in these very, very tight spaces, as you can kind of see in this photo, and they are also fed so poorly that it makes them suffer almost their entire life while they are alive because the food that they stuff them with is unhealthy for them to eat. Um, I'll be using this in my paper to talk about how inhumanely farm animals are treated. So this will be on the why farm factories are bad side. I think this is a good source because it was linked under a New York Times source that I read. Um, and it's of course a .org, so that's always good. I think that this interacts with my other um, sources because I've read a lot about chickens and cows, specifically egg production and milk production, but I haven't read that much about pigs so far, and this article has a lot to do with pigs. So I just think that that helps me get all my bases for like the farm animals, making sure that I know like how each one is treated is very important for my paper. Um, so yeah, that's how I'm planning to use this source in my paper.